Hello guys, welcome to Mobile Testing YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to fix UA automator issue in Big Sur Mac OS. So when I try to open the UI automator viewer, it is not showing any of the options as selectable. I'm not able to resize, I'm not able to click on any of these buttons, and I'm not even able to see the capture screenshot options. So we are going to fix this. Even the close, minimize, maximize buttons doesn't respond. So to fix this, first we have to go to this Eclipse website and then download the latest, get into the latest build available, and then scroll to the bottom and download this SWT zip file. If you are on Mac OS, if you are on the latest M1 chipset, then download the other option. I have already downloaded this file, so let me open that. So this is the folder, and there will be a file called as swt.jar. You have to rename that file to swt2jar. After you replace this, open your terminal and change your directory to Android SDK folder. Get into the Android SDK folder and do an ls cd into tools and cd into lib directory. Here you will see a bunch of jars. So what we are interested in here is this x86 and x86-64. Let me first get into x86. Here there will be a file called as swt.jar. We have to also add this swt2jar into this folder. Let me open the folder. So what I'm going to do is copy this file and then paste it into this directory. Similarly, we have to do the same for x86_64 directory. So again, copy this swt2jar file and paste it inside this x86_64 folder. Once that is done, restart your terminal and type UI automator viewer. If you encounter any error like this, then what we have to do is try replacing it with a lower version. So let us try this 4.20. I downloaded the file, so this is the version 4.20. Let me rename it to swt2jar and let's repeat the same set of steps. First we have to get into the Android SDK folder and cd into tools and lib. So now I have to change my directory into x86 folder I'm going to open it, delete this, the older file that we copied, and copy the new file and paste it. Similarly, let's do the same for x86_64 folder. We have to delete the previous file and copy paste this new file. Okay, let me restart the terminal and launch the UI Automator again. Okay, let us start UI Automator. You can notice that still the capture screenshot options are not showing up, but the other options are working fine. So what we have to do is we have to enter the full screen mode once and then bring it back to the normal minimize screen size to see the options. This is a small UI glitch, but this totally works fine now. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.